Hello everyone. Today we're going to unbox the Body Shop vegan products that my boys gave to me during Mother's Day last month, and so nice. So let's start. So here we are, guys. Let's start the unboxing of my Body Shop vegan gift haul. Okay, let's start with this first box. This one. How sustainable their box now. Impressive Body Shop. And these are, and then look at what it's written there. Thank you for being a change maker. Yes, everyone can be a change maker and be friendly to our environment. Okay, anyway, so here are the first box. This one is from my son, my youngest one. Oh no, yeah, no, my youngest one gave me this whole set inside. We have this coconut shower cream, Body Shop vegan, as you see. That's so. Let's have a look. Oopsie, look at that. It might be smelly. It smells nice. Coconut. I like body cream. And also we got body butter. What is this? Body butter. Wow, pure corpse. Actually, I'm not fan of body butter, guy, because it's so hard to apply. It feels like it's not melting. It doesn't melt quickly. But maybe it's winter time for very dry skin. 96-hour nourishing moisture. I don't have very dry skin. But anyway, this will do. I already opened and tried it already. Let's open it. So here's how the body butter look like. Ang hirap niya talaga i-apply. But anyways, pag nilagay mo na siya sa arm mo, parang ang hirap mo. Naka-heater ako din. Now it's melting nicely. Siguro dapat heater muna, then apply it. But it smells so nice. Love it. My skin is gonna get very hydrated with these products. And I also got coconut lip butter for intensely dry lips. I don't have a dry lips as well. I have a very moisturized. This will do. Huwag na natin buksan kasi marami pa. Nauwi pa rin ako sa Lucas Popo. And this coconut hand cream, hand balm, vegan. And there's also body scrubber, Body Shop. Nice. Look at how sustainable is this one. Very nice. And also, that's it for this vegan box. The coconut niyog. Mag-aamoy niyog tayo. From Body Shop Australia. And we'll go to the next box now. Let's open. Okay, here is the strawberry flavored naman. Like we have here another the coconut was a shower cream, and this one is a shower gel. I like shower gel actually. It's easy and very handy to use. And ang haba-habang bilihan ito ng sabon, guys. Amuhin natin. It smells nice. So good. And this one is, look up here, strawberry body yogurt. Actually, I've already opened this and I'm using this already, and it is really nice and I like it. It's very easy to apply. Para lang siyang parang gel lang siya, and it's easy to absorb in your body, and hindi kagaya ng bata. But this one, okay, let me show you what's inside. And nabuksan ko na siya. Actually very nice, and I love the smell. Hang on. Here it is. Look at that. It's a body butter. No, I mean body yogurt. Body yogurt. See, hindi daw pala kinakain ng yogurt, guys. At saka butter. Pinapampahi din. Actually, guys, if I have a expired yogurt in my fridge, I actually apply it in my body after shower. Although I also rinse it after, but it smells so nice as well. Rather than wasting, it really hydrate and moisturize your skin. Promise. Hindi ka pa nag-aaksaya. Hindi mo siya tinapon, ginamit. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Another strawberry. Another hand cream. The other one is hand balm, shower cream, and this one shower gel, hand cream. Iba-iba, basta ganun. Vegan hand cream. Hindi ko pa siya bubuksan kasi ang dami-dami pang hand cream, guys. May mga hand cream pa ako na vegan din pala yun. Last Christmas, my workmates gave to me their almond hand cream. This lid, bodyshop, it's not really nice. When you open, it's so hard to close. Bodyshop, you might try to change this lid of this hand cream. And ito palang box na to, guys, ibigay ng youngest son ko na strawberry. Pareha sila na gift sa akin no Mother's Day, but hindi sila sabay bumili, nagkataon lang. Another pang hilod. Okay, another body scrubber, pantanggal ng libag. It looks so really sustainable. And that's it for this book. So that's this 4. And also, guys, we also have these 4 tubes of perfume. It so smells nice. I've already smelled everything, and it's really perfect for different occasions. This one is called, okay, let me clear my camera. You see, it says Fall Irish. This is very nice smelling perfume. It's all like samples, but can you imagine a vegan perfume? That's so impressive, is it? Full Irish. This is very good to use at night. It's like an elegant smell when you go for a night out. It was in a piled in a box when he gave to me. I'll show you. And this other one is it's called Full Irish. Full Iris? Full Iris. Full ilang-ilang. Full Irish. I already full ilang-ilang. What about the other one? This is full rose. Hindi marunong gumamit ng camera. Nakakainis. Full rose. See? Full rose. Tabi natin yan. So now this one is clearer now to see. It's full ilang-ilang. Full. Okay, I've shown that full iris already. This one is full rose and this is it. Full blossom. Orange blossom. They all really smells nice, guys. So yeah, that's my Mother's Day gift haul. I put it all in here. And also, guys, I have what is that? Oh yeah, I also have this another vegan body butter. It's avocado. I've used this already, but as I said before, it's so hard to use sometimes because it's not like, I don't know, I've used with the not so heavy lotions, but I appreciate it. It's a present from my workmate. I have this another vegan lip butter. It was a Christmas present that I haven't opened yet. How much lip balm can I have? Lip butter, lip balm. What's the difference of lip butter and lip balm, by the way? And these are the hand creams that I already opened and used. Almond milk. This one is I put it in the car every time I need it. Another one. Just put it in my bag. They're all vegan. I just realized they're all vegan. I'm using vegan products. And also I have another lip balm. This one is given by my workmate from Sri Lanka. It's Spa Salon. It's actually very nice design. The box was really pretty. And it's like a rice made of lip balm. And that's all for today. I have lots of lip balm but I still end up with my Lucas Popo, my all-time favorite lip balm. That's okay. Pretty much that's it for today, guys, for my body shop Australia vegan gift haul. Thank you for watching. Ipapak na natin. All done. That's it. Bye bye. See you next time.